Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do I have today? Well, I got a new product that's gonna really help your wallet. What am I talking about? You'll see in a second. By the way, that is my telephone number. If you have good questions, we got better answers. So that being said, come on over here, Joel. What do we have? Well, we have the Chevy Silverado, and what did we do? We got the brand new Undercover Select. Now, you're probably saying, wow, that looks kind of like the Undercover Ultraflex, and it does, because they're both made by Undercover. But there's some differences. One is, your wallet's gonna appreciate you, because this one here, I'll put a link on the bottom of this YouTube video. Click on, you're gonna see how reasonably priced this cover. You're gonna look at this, and you're gonna say, that's $1,400, whatever it is. You'd be quite surprised when you see the price on how reasonably priced this is. Now this is, again, the Undercover Select. It comes in a matte finish here. It is a 3-piece metal cover. What does that mean? Well, you got a piece of aluminum on top, a piece of aluminum in the middle, and then the bottom, and you got insulation in the middle. Why is that good? Well, if you live here in Florida, if you have one piece of metal, which a lot of covers are, that heat goes right through that cover into the bed. So you picked up those groceries and you're hoping your milk gets home before it goes bad, but it's all bacon in there. With this cover, you got 3 layers. That's gonna keep the temperature more moderate. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you some of the other good features on this. Now, I know a lot of covers, they only have a release mechanism on the driver's side. This one has passenger side and driver side, so wherever you're standing on the vehicle, you can open the cover. And it really comes in handy if you're pulling off to the side of the road, you're on the highway, all the traffic is on the driver's side, you might want to be on this side, it's a little safer. Also, I know on the cheaper covers, they don't give you a drainage system. Well, this one, guess what? It does come with a drainage system. So if any water gets past the seal on the cover, it will go into the drainage system and go outside the cover. So let's go ahead and open this up. One thing you'll notice is not hard to open. Now, you can drive with it like this. If you look over here closely, you'll see this little thing here that goes in there, and that keeps the wind from catching while you're driving. And when you're not and using it, you just kind of tuck it underneath this thing, so you don't have to worry about flapping inside. Now, I'm gonna tell you some of the differences. Now, you looked at it, you said, hey, it looks just like the Ultraflex, and it is. Again, it's made by Undercover. Some of the differences, if you notice here, it does not have the bed rug on here. That's where they saved a little money. The other difference is it doesn't have the 3rd fold. This one's a 2-fold versus a 3-fold. And that saves you some money right there. Now, the customer bought this, he's like, you know what, I don't think I would ever use that 3-fold. I'd rather have that money in my wallet. So he went with this model, and I tell you, this is my first one. I'm quite impressed. I think it looks great. I think it's a great bang for the buck. If you're looking for a good value, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a good way to go. And again, it's high quality product, easy to use, comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Also, if we put it on for you, we put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we do here as well. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, and you say, oh man, I live in Texas, I want that cover. Got you covered, that's right. We got 32 warehouses all over the country. We can ship this anywhere in the country, and you can do it yourself. It's not as hard as some of the other things we install. And if you buy it from us, and if you have questions on the installation, we can walk you through it. That's another benefit of buying from C&H. You get our expertise. You get Joel, who's behind the camera. He's great on the phone telling you how to fix, install anything you might get. Again, you can ship it anywhere. You can come here in the store. We got you covered. We got you covered no matter what. Oh, before you go, come on over here, Joel. I know a lot of people ask, hey, it's got the multi-function tailgate. Does that work with the cover? And I always forget to open it up. As you can see, yes, it does work with the cover. The cover does not interfere whatsoever with that function. You got this very expensive tailgate. You still want to use it. I know some covers would affect this. This one does not. Again, I'm doing a review of the Undercover Select. That's a tri-fold that folds 2 times, and it's on the Chevy Silverado. I think this is the 2024, right? 25, all right, 25, it's even newer. So the newest truck with the newest cover, great combination. Again, take a great look on how this matches the bed cap. So, I mean, I like this flush mount. I like how it sits in the bed, and I like how it all is the same color. It looks wonderful. Again, if you like what you see, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. You get to see the stuff for the first time before anyone else is showing it. I got it. Again, thank you so much.